joy, anxiety, happy or boredom, side-eye, normal face, LV face, legs, eyes, like exactly comes with this like, wow, hallucination, normal, overarm, FVV2, by default, eating, you can use it on any voice, you can put that on it. Here's a new face I added, including the whoa. Does it look like I wanna see an ad? Like I'm trying to share my assets. Oh.
Balot, Dide, balot!
Here's the super skin.
Buksan mo niya ng balot! Ayaw. Ay, isa!
Bakit ba akong hindi nakain? Hindi. Other here. You can make these better. And yeah. Well. No. Scared. More scared panic. Bored. Not too bored. Sassy. Super angry. Talking but sad. Talking but happy. But looking at you too. It's like this one. Sad, happy. It's a happy face, but looking left, you can see this right. This is the small version, this is the old. And I did make a face background thing with a sad smile. Green. FV. There are a few faces that I do like, but after you don't like, so I'll just fix them. Fix them. Here's me, your metal face, and DG. Here's vlog. Here's Axe. Here's torch and mug. This is paper. This is my profile picture. No, just because I'll make an epic face. Like the epic face is in BFDI style, so I think it could fit in. But it's not really BFDIA. Okay, this is BFDIA style, so it still fits in. match on my voice match.
Hello guys, grupo ka pala. Okay na kami. Hindi na namin kailangan ng water boy. Ha?
Everything is just go your way.
Okay, ano? Titigil pa ba tayo? Kasi, pwede na lang po siya.
The future is all yesterday. The future is all yesterday. When everything is just go your way. There's no innovation in the air. Yep. I didn't like to sing. Sometimes I'll use just if they wanna be like epic. Epic. Not even like a super epical character.
And you need to count from 1 to 4 for your group activity today. Okay, let's start at the front row. 1, 2.
You can just make just a few chords. But yeah. Epic face! Hold on, I forgot something. Now I will have to put automatic face. But that's literally basically does nothing. It looks a bit cooler. Because you like it. Here's the teams. The Finns are Paper, Torch, Margin, Church. Paper is the leader. Log, the Splinters. Log, DG, Knight, and Box. The leader is Knight. The way it says the Splinter because Knight can make Log into Splinter. But this is when the video ends, so bye guys.